It's here. It's finally here. This is a tablet cover from Foxbox. I've been buying tablet covers from them. By the way, this isn't a sponsored video. I bought this with my own money. I have been buying tablet covers from Foxbox, like literally ever since Horo, who's the owner of Foxbox, created the business. I have been buying tablet covers from them for like 5 years now or something. It's pretty crazy. This specific design I've gotten like twice already. In hindsight, I probably would have gotten something else, but it's whatever. Packaging's a little bent because my mailman like literally shoved it into my mailbox, like just tried to make it fit, but at least it's not like actually bent. So let's open it up. And the reason you would get a tablet cover is just for style, you know. I got it for my CTH 480 and right now it's looking plain, you know. The tablet's looking plain. Add a little bit of design on there, and also if you drag, a cover is really nice for protecting your tablet from scratching. Yeah, no one likes a scratched tablet surface, right? Oh, before I actually take this out, let me show you their website. There's their website. They have a bunch of different models. They have the S620. They have just so many tablets, honestly, that you can get a cover for. So you can get a cover here. Just check out their website. By the way, because of COVID and everything, and I believe Foxbox is like pretty much only Horo, right, working. So there is quite a bit of a delay. This took like a month before it even shipped, so just keep that in mind. I don't really mind because I'm patient, but if you're not a patient person and you don't like waiting for stuff, then that's something to keep in mind, is maybe wait until there's no more delays and everything. The quality of Foxbox tablet covers has always been really good, so that's just why I order from them and I recommend them. And Horo is a cool dude as well, so you know, I don't mind supporting him. I'll leave a link to Foxbox in the description, by the way. Here it is, the design. I've had this design, like I've bought this design like twice already. I just didn't know what else to get, so I got it again. In hindsight, probably would have gotten something else, but it's whatever. Not a big deal. Nice. Foxbox stickers and a thank you card. That's the only reason I bought this, to be honest. Yo, they kind of stepped up their packaging though. Yo, shout out to you, Horo. You stepped up your packaging, man. The packaging didn't used to be this fancy. It is in pristine condition. Good thing the middleman didn't bend it. All right, so you get a little alcohol wipe, which we're going to use to clean off the tablet before we apply the cover. And I mean, I don't want to flex or anything, but I'm kind of a master at applying these. Hopefully I don't jinx myself this time and just completely mess it up. That would suck. All right, let's wipe it down. I have a method I'm gonna show you guys. If you decide to get a cover and you don't know how to apply it, I have a method and it works every time. I'll show it to you. I wonder if Horo knows I've ordered this much from him, by the way, because I swear I've ordered, like, when Foxbox first came out, I ordered a glossy one and it wasn't like the full size like this. I think you can still choose like half size, I'm not sure, but half size would only cover like your play area. That was like my first ever tablet cover from him. Good times, good times. If I can find a video of like an old YouTube video of me using that cover, I'll pop it up on the screen. I think I actually have an old video of me using it. Okay, tablet's nice and clean. The surface is nice and clean. Look at that, spotless. Looking very nice. Okay, here's my strategy, all right? You gotta get a credit card or something though. So you need like a library card or just a card to like slide it down to make sure that there's no air bubbles. Here's my strategy, okay? This is top secret, by the way. I'm gonna take out these little holes first. This is like the scariest part, is applying it. Because if you mess it up, I mean, you can still recover it depending on how you mess it up. Most of the time though, it's over, man. All right, so basically what I like to do is I like to peel the top part way. So peel it down like maybe that much. And then I actually fold it right here. Then we flip it back over. And now we got to get in real close. We got to line it up. The last time I put this tablet cover on, I did such a good job. It was so good. Like literally perfect. But this time, hold on. I don't know why I'm holding the pen. Carter started messaging me. As I was in this intense operation, I was getting messaged on Discord. I'm literally standing up for this right now. You got to get a bird's eye view, you know? So like before you even like push down and like, before you push down and finalize your decision, you got to hover over, just kind of line it up. And it's not going to be completely perfect, Oh, this one's pretty good. Yeah, this one's pretty good. Okay. I think I'm happy with that. I think I lined it up pretty well. So once you have it lined up, you can push the top down. Take your card. And you grab the bottom. I don't know how to explain this. I'll flip it over. You grab the bottom of the thing here. And you pull it, right, as you pushed it with your card. And that will help with making sure that there's the least amount of air bubbles. And just like that, we're in business. It's a little bit too much to the right. I'm not gonna lie to you. It's not perfect, but it's all right. It's actually not bad. I didn't do a bad job. There's no air bubbles either. So after it's all down, you can press down on it to keep it, to stick it on. That's it. We have applied the tablet cover and it's looking nice. It's looking real nice. I got it as close as I could. A little bit more to the left would have been perfect, but not bad at all. Alright, this video is just basically me applying my tablet cover and also giving a huge shout out to Horo and Foxbox. His business is great. Tablet covers have always been solid. Like literally every single one I've got has been amazing. Super easy to apply and just solid. Just keep in mind, right now there's delays, so if you're going to order one, just make sure you're a patient person. If you're not patient, don't order one. So yeah, I'll leave a link to the website in the description, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.